there's any firearms in the vehicle.
But that's...
He was asked if there was any firearms in the vehicle. He said no.
He was on the phone the whole time.
So again, there was an odor of burnt marijuana coming from the vehicle. That does not matter.
Yes, it does.
It does not.
Burning weed and you don't smoke.
You're going to have to ask him.
But he doesn't have anything there. He doesn't have anything. He doesn't smoke.
So again, there was a odor of burnt marijuana.
He doesn't smoke. You can pull his hair.
There was an odor of burnt... Okay.
How is there?
Okay, we're done.
How does that make sense?
Of course.
On March 3rd, 2025, at 10:11 p.m., an Akron officer pulled over a student for a red light and smelled marijuana. Should a traffic violation automatically justify a full vehicle search if the driver admits to having a gun?
Hello, I'm Officer Stoviak with the Akron Police Department. The reason why I pulled you over is because I saw you blow that red light coming off of Johnston. You know I saw you pulling that out, didn't you? You got a license on you, man?
Yeah, I'm reaching.
Well, hang tight with me here. You ain't got nothing in the car that I need to worry about. No guns, knives, exploding, ordinances in there or anything? All right, hang tight with me here.
I'm trying to get home to my girl, man. I got out of school late and shit, man.
Where are you going to school at?
Stark State.
What for?
My CDL. That's
CDL?
Yeah, I ain't really gonna know the issue or nothing.
All right. All right, man. So I can smell the odor of burnt marijuana in your car. I'm gonna have you step out the vehicle, all right? You have anything in here that you're not supposed to, right?
Yeah, I do.
You got your gun on you with you? All right, well, here's how I'm going to have you do this, all right? I'm going to have you step out the vehicle. I'm going to have you face away from me, all right? And put your hands on top of your head.
All right, I'm buckling my seatbelt.
All right. All right, keep your hands on top of your head for me. Is this door unlocked?
No.
All right, where's the unlock at?
Okay.
Right there? All right. Just step out for me here, okay? I'm going to guide keep your other hand on top of your head. I'm going to guide you out here, okay? All right. Step away from me.
Oh, shit.
We'll get that. We'll get that in a second. All right. Pat you down. You don't have. Where's your gun at, man? Under your driver's seat. All right. Until we figure out what's going on here. Not under arrest right now. You're just being detained.
Listen, I work a good ass job, bro. You
Okay.
can see my CDL books on my back seat and everything, man.
Okay. Just gonna have you sit back here with my partner here. All right. You may be able to have the gun, right? But I outright asked you. I was like, "Hey, man, do you have any weapons in the vehicle?
I didn't think I was gonna have to get pulled
guns, stuff like that." All right, but you see where I'm coming from, right?
Yeah, but listen, can I get my phone so I can talk to my girl?
Well, not right now, man. Just slide your feet in for me, all right? Just need you to stay in the back here.
Yeah. Come on, man.
What's up?
I got my saved up savings in the car.
Okay, well,
Like,
we're not gonna be touching any of your money or anything.
All right, yeah, man. I work an honest job, man. I'm in school for everything, bro.
Okay.
I work at Goodyear, man. I got work in the morning. I be going to school after hours.
All right. Well. All right. So why'd you lie to me when I asked you if there was any firearms in the car?
Because honestly, ever since I had my license, I haven't got pulled out of my car or nothing.
Okay.
So I really thought that you were gonna let me go. So I didn't. Plus, I told you I got my savings in the car, man. I got kids. You know what I'm saying?
I get that you've got kids, and I get that, man. But like, you realize how serious it is.
I know.
Lying about that.
I understand having a firearm, but it's in my name.
Holy bro. God damn, dude, there's like thousands of dollars here.
Is that $1,000?
Look at that, dude. That's insane. My man is moving something, dude. He probably just sold the weed, that's why it smells like that.
I know that it's in your name, but the state of Ohio law with this new constitutional carry, you don't have to have a CCW, but if I ask you if there's any weapons in the car, you got to be straight up 100% honest.
And I understand that, and to be honest, last time I disclosed that information, I was in the car with someone, and there was a huge confusion, so it's just based off, past tense. Well, I didn't know how to go about it. So.
But
probably gonna take this, depending on how much it is. Damn, bro.
I'm not the officer that worked with you in the past, right?
Right.
Like, I came up, I was super cool. I was like, hey, I saw you blew the red light. I wasn't, like, being a dick about that or anything, right?
Right. And I know. I'm very understanding of that.
And I gave you the option.
It wasn't that I was trying to lie to you or anything. You see, when you told me to get out, I was being honest with you.
Yeah.
Got like fucking 20 racks here.
Oh man, listen, you could pull my shirt up, bro. I work at Goodyear, man.
Well, like I said, we're not gonna like.
Hey, I'm pretty sure we have her over here.
Like, listen, that's my life savings. It's like 17,000, bro. I get paid every week, and I put every paycheck up.
The stop turned into a high-stakes seizure when police found over $17,000 in cash, despite the driver's claims of being a hardworking student. Should large sums of money be treated as evidence of a crime? Or is civil asset forfeiture a violation of a citizen's rights?
Can we help you?
Yeah, y'all got my little brother. I want his belongings.
That's not gonna happen.
It's not gonna happen.
Can you go? You need to go back in your car. You need to go back in your car.
Why?
Because we're doing a traffic stop.
We're done here.
I can't have his belongings?
No.
Okay, well let me get his car.
Straight, bud.
Bro, that's my life savings, bro. I got kids. I got 3 kids, and now you can see on my back seat, I'm going to school for CDL, sir.
I'm not knocking you. I'm not saying you're not, but I'm just saying, man, like, it's just like the route we go, man. If there's narcotic sales on the phone, then it's gonna be a wrap.
Listen. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Man, can I see my phone so I can talk to my woman?
No, man, we're gonna take your phone.
We just towed.
Why y'all told his car? We was on the way. I walked mostly here. Why y'all, come on man, my little brother, listen, he in school, he's trying to go to Chuck, please, why is y'all taking him to jail? That man, he get his life together.
12 on fast, please, 285
Oh
North
my
Howard,
God,
perfect, break.
Can I please send my phone so I can call my woman? That's my life savings, man. I got kids, man.
Okay, like I said, I'm not gonna mess with it, okay?
Man, but your coworkers is trying to mess with me. Everything been going great, so great, man.
Okay, but because he lied to us.
No, he didn't. She was on the phone.
I was on the phone the whole
He
time.
didn't lie to nobody.
Hold
He didn't lie to
Real quick,
nobody.
What's your name?
I'm his sister. That's it. I
What is-
don't gotta
okay.
tell you that.
So I'm Officer Cole.
Is that him in the car?
Yes,
He's
they
in the
taking
wagon,
him.
yes. So I'll say this. I was next to him when
And
we
she
were...
was on the phone. Why would
Okay.
he lie about having
Can
his
I-
weapon?
can I
That's his
speak?
weapon.
Can I speak, please?
Yes, go.
Okay, so we were asking him
Yeah, so I gotta
about the
listen
stop.
to y'all. Y'all wouldn't
He
believe
asked him
this
if there was any kind of weapons, knives, explosive ordinances inside the vehicle. Those are his exact words. Your brother said no. And then we were going to have him exit the vehicle because we smelled an odor of burnt marijuana.
You don't smoke.
Like, can I please?
What's with the license plate in the back for the Subaru? Do you know what's up with that?
It's not to a Subaru. It should be to a Buick. I have 2 vehicles.
Okay, so James Victor Lincoln 26217. That plate in the back comes back to a 02 Subaru from Fairgrove and Massillon.
Not an 02 Subaru.
Okay.
No. I pulled that off my other vehicle in my driveway at home. I'm not, man, listen.
Okay.
I'm an honest man.
Look, I'm not saying you're
I
not,
go to
brother,
work and
but
everything.
here's-
Unless they transferred the plate.
Okay.
Because it's expired.
Is
It
it
expired on my birthday.
Okay.
There was an odor of burnt marijuana.
He
coming-
don't smoke.
Okay, then
How do
explain.
you burn marijuana and you
Then
don't
explain
smoke?
to
He
me.
could have had. He could drug test him.
Okay.
You could
No,
no,
literally,
literally.
So
Do whatever.
let me
He don't
explain.
smoke.
Let me
That
explain
boy
this.
is good.
Let me explain to you.
Why?
Because we're trying to...
Don't take my brother for nothing.
We're trying to explain to you.
Where's
He
all
was
his
trying to
stuff?
explain to you that you f***ing his life up right
Where's
now.
all his
That boy
stuff?
trying to do something with
What's
himself.
up? What's up with
His
exactly?
phone,
Nothing.
everything.
Nothing.
All
They not
his
giving him.
phone, the money that he had is going with us.
Man. Oh my God. Can I please talk to my wife, man? Oh my God. I should have just stayed in my house, man. Every time I make a split decision, man. Can I please talk to my wife? Can I please talk to my wife?
Not right this second, man, but we'll let you talk to her shortly.
Like,
Why?
See, for what?
Because we
For
have
what?
to
He
investigate.
didn't find no
He
drugs
works
in his car. He's not a drug
Okay,
dealer.
I'm
He has a
gonna
job.
say
He
this.
worked
I'm gonna
at
say this
Goodyear.
once. If
Hold
you're
on.
going
He
to
has a
continue
job.
to interrupt
Hold
us,
on.
you
Just
can
let him
leave.
talk.
I don't have to leave. Y'all took my brother.
If you're going to continue to
Hold on.
interrupt us,
But
when I'm
you
trying to
I
explain
can't,
this
I
to
can't
you,
express myself. I got freedom of speech.
You're
You can't
allowed to,
make me leave. Sir, that's my First Amendment right. That might not know, but I know.
okay.
Phone calls. You know exactly how much is here.
like 17,000, man. Listen, that is my life savings. I have 3 kids. You can pull my shirt up. I work at Goodyear.
I'm not saying you don't, but like I said, with that kind of money, man, like our next
Listen.
step is to basically call narcotics guys and see if
Listen, man.
get a
Bruh.
warrant, go through the phones, make sure
Bruh.
there's no narcotic sales, man. That's just
Bruh.
how it is, man. If that's not the case, then we'll be good.
Can I please talk to my wife?
But I'm trying to explain to this to you, and you continue to interrupt us.
Because it's not making
But
sense.
he was trying to explain to y'all that he works a job, and y'all just sitting there
Okay.
trying
Listen to
to.
him.
So
At
again,
all.
He the one
he
who's
was
not-
asking.
You don't
there
have
was-
nothing in his car. You don't do
Can I
shit.
We got to do this first.
Man, listen, I got 3 kids, man. I'm newborn at home, man. This is crazy, man. Can I please talk to my wife? Can I let her know what's going on?
Not right now, man.
I got work in the morning. I got school tomorrow, man. Y'all see my CDL books on the back seat, man. Life has been going great, man. I don't need these type of problems, man. She's gonna be so disappointed in me, man.
So again, he was asked if there was any firearms in the vehicle.
But that's...
He was asked if there was any firearms in the vehicle. He said no.
He was on the phone the whole time.
So again,
Yes.
there was an odor of burnt marijuana coming from the vehicle.
Smoke.
That does not matter.
Yes, it
It
does.
does not.
I just burning weed and you don't smoke.
You're gonna have to ask him.
Every time, everything is going good, man.
But he doesn't have anything there.
Put him in
He doesn't have anything.
He doesn't
So
smoke.
again, there was a odor of burnt marijuana.
He doesn't smoke. You can pull his
There was
hair.
an odor
he doesn't
of
smoke.
burnt. Okay.
How is there?
Okay, we're done.
Hold on.
How does that make sense?
Of course.
Why?
Because it don't make sense.
Just hold on.
It don't make sense.
I don't understand how. If you you say that he didn't tell you that there was a weapon in the car.
He told us there was not any. When
Okay.
he was asked, he said no.
You said
When
that
he was
there's
asked to
nothing in the
step out of the vehicle, he then disclosed that there was a firearm in the
Okay.
vehicle.
So
at first
why
he
does
lied
that
to
have
us.
anything to do with his money, though?
It has nothing
His
to do
life
with Ma'am,
savings.
It has nothing to do with his
So why
money.
you got it?
His money is being
What's the right?
counted. It's being...
What's the right for it?
We need to listen to them. So
For
we
what? They
so
just gonna lie to us just like they lied
so
to
we
him.
understand
Ma'am,
what
We don't
they're-
have to understand. Do you know your rights?
So we listen.
Holly,
we
do you
what
know
they-
your rights?
That's money.
Do you know your rights, Holly?
So I know what they're trying to say to us. So we can get their
Is
story.
it making any sense,
I
Holly?
heard the whole thing.
And it's not making any
I
sense.
heard the whole thing.
Property. What can I do right, bro? I can't do nothing right, bro. I got school and work. What can I do right, man? What can I do right, man?
It's not making any sense.
I'm trying to understand what's
Give him back
where's
his
this
shit.
stuff
It's
though?
free my brother, bro.
Where's this stuff gonna go?
His personal effects, so his wallet and all of the stuff that he
Phones.
had. So the phones are being held right now for investigation. The money is going to be held, okay? It has a receipt saying that he can come and claim the money.
How much money he have?
He has $17,040.
Can come claim the money when?
He can. So as soon as the investigation is done, there's a receipt that is attached to him personally when he went down to the jail.
I was at. I'm sorry.
Following the investigation, the $17,040 seized from the vehicle was turned over to federal authorities under civil asset forfeiture laws due to its suspected link to narcotics trafficking. While the driver maintained he was a student, he was unable to provide verifiable documentation or tax records to explain the presence of such a large sum of cash alongside a concealed weapon. He was formally charged with carrying a concealed weapon and improperly handling firearms in a motor vehicle. The firearm was sent for ballistic testing to determine if it had been linked to any prior incidents in the Akron area. Ultimately, the driver reached a plea deal for a misdemeanor weapons charge, but the cash was forfeited to the state after he failed to prove its legitimate origin in court. This encounter serves as a vivid example of how a simple traffic violation can lead to a total loss of property when illegal items are discovered. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.